dude sets up a hidden camera and catches his wife cheating. Sounds crazy, right? Look at this though, dog. He's finna go to work. Now, for him to even feel like he needs to do this is crazy. She won for you, Bubba. Just gonna keep it a buck.
Okay. So somebody is stealing the condoms. I'm gonna find out who it is. So I know she's cheating on me. Now it's just trying to catch the bastard who's doing it.
Wow.
That ought to hide it. Awesome. 6 here. 6 condoms. If I get home and there's 5 or less, I'm gonna catch this bastard.
Whoa! What's up? She getting all dressed up with them spraying. I do that too. I ain't gonna lie. Like, you gotta like pull them up. Just one little. You know what I'm saying? For real, she got all shaved up and shit. Poor dude. Don't even know it. Come on, bro.
Oh, hey there.
Oh, they're all right now. What, baby? Go, good boy, go.
Oh, no.
Who is this?
Hello.
Come on. Come on. Out. 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 Good boy. No shoes on their bed.
She's on my bed.
No shoes on their bed. Keep the shoes on.
Okay.
Straight down to business.
What the fuck? Oh, this is classic. Call the plumber. Somebody we even know. Somebody from the barbecue, huh? The hell? I'm sorry. You're sorry? You're fucking sorry? What do you want me to say? Well, I don't know. Something else other than I'm just fucking sorry.
I'm sorry.
Huh? You know what? Bullshit. And this is bullshit.
Bullshit.
Bullshit. Yeah. Well, I know where all the fucking condoms are going, huh?
Me fucking the plumber is bullshit.
Yeah, the plumber. What do you mean, tell you?
And think
You know what?
really
What are you
hard.
doing hiding in the closet? Why don't you come on out of the closet?
Think really hard.
When you get out of here. Get out of here? No, you're going to stay right here.
No,
No. No.
This is you and me. Yeah. Yeah.
What?
This is you and me.
Well, I bet he didn't even get the fucking job done, did he? Oh, he got one job done, I see, huh?
At least somebody got the job done.
You know what? I'm tired of this shit. You know what?
You know what else I found? The goddamn divorce papers. The
Fine.
fucking divorce.
So, So, yeah. And he's getting the good end of the divorce, I'm telling you. You're at fault, woman. You dirty, sick.
Divorce papers. I fucked a plumber.
Yeah.
God, you've been fucking your
Your fucking
secretary.
mother.
You son of a bitch.
Listen. I'm in the house. Yeah? Well, I got the fucking tape.
What the fuck is that?
The fucking camera.
A fucking camera? A camera?
I'm gonna post this shit on the fucking internet, too. Yeah, it's going all over the fucking internet. And your plumbing company, motherfucker.
You can't do
Yeah.
that.
Why don't you get
You
the
can't
fuck out of
do
here
that.
with your
No,
fucking
no,
plumber
no,
boyfriend,
no,
huh?
no.
Yeah? What the fuck, huh?
I don't even understand how you could actually wanna, wanna be with the woman after, that's his wife, right? He's with her. She's opening up her legs for another man. She's craving another man. Somebody that's not him. She wants another man. I can't see past that. For the fact that you don't wanna open up your legs to me. You want another man to come and do the same thing. That's just I can't look at a girl the same after that, bro. I can't look at a girl the same after that, dog. That is cold-blooded, bro. Wow, dog.